What's up, folks? Mark Luck, Dlux Motorsports. Today's Saturday. Just doing a quick lot walk. Our lot is packed full of trucks. We got a ton of new stuff that came in, so come check us out and see all the new stuff that we got. One in the back, 16 Duramax. We got a 2010 Chevy Silverado, a very nice Range Rover Sport, beautiful Chevy Corvette, 15 Duramax Denali. Get it! Dang, people get crazy around here on cycles. Anyway, 15 GMC Duramax Denali. We got a 2009 Chevrolet Silverado, lifted 6 inches. We got a nice old school Cali truck, Jeep lifted truck, 9 grand. Check this out, 08 Ford F-250, 38,000 original miles. A Toyota Tacoma, 2016, sitting on some 22 by 14s. Got a nice 13 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. A nice 2012 Jeep Wrangler Sport, lifted 2 inches, oversized tires. I believe that's a 05 Jeep, 85,000 original miles. Another 2500 Hemi Dodge. We got a lifted 05 Cummins, or 04 Cummins. Got a lifted 2016 Ram 2500. This is our new addition, just got dropped off today from the south. This is a 2011 Ford F-250 Lariat, fully loaded FX4 package. It's been leveled down on a set of 35s. Just a gorgeous truck inside and out. We had a color like this about 3 weeks ago. It sold pretty quick about the first week we had it, so make sure you pay attention to that. This is a stock Chevrolet we're getting ready to lift, 2011, I believe. Another 2009 Chevy, I believe. So we got them packed in here. We got tons of new trucks coming in as well. This is a 07 59 Cummins. Truck's out of Florida. That truck's got only 89,000 original miles. So anyway, come check us out here at the shop. We got 3 or 4 more coming in Monday, Tuesday. We lost some of our parking out on the main grass, but we are still here pumping trucks out. There's 3 or 4 more over there. So anyway, come check us out, Dlux Motorsports. Call us direct 540-898-1300. Visit us on the website at www.dlux-motorsports.com.